In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Subscript in Notion. If you've ever found yourself navigating through Notion, wanting to add a bit of mathematical flair, or simply trying to incorporate subscripts into your notes or formulas, you're in the right place. Whether you're a student managing complex equations or a professional drafting detailed technical documents, understanding how to effectively use subscripts in Notion can be a valuable skill. To start, you will first want to open your Notion workspace and navigate to the specific page or section where you would like to add the subscript. Once you're ready, the first thing you need to do is type a /, which is the symbol that looks like a slanted line. This is a command in Notion that tells the program you're about to enter a special type of block or function, so it's a great starting point for getting what you need. Now, after typing that /, type the word math. This is a magical little command that gives you access to Notion's math block features. Once you've done that, Notion will present you with several options. From these, select Inline Equation. This will create a space where you can start to insert various mathematical symbols and text elements, including our goal for today, the subscript. Before you proceed to type your desired text, there's an important thing to remember. Start with an underscore. The underscore is that straight line usually found on your keyboard, often near the backspace or hyphen key. By starting with an underscore, you're essentially telling Notion that the text that follows should be treated as a subscript. It's important not to skip this step, as otherwise, the text may not appear as a subscript. Once you put the underscore, you can go ahead and input your text. This can be any letter, number, or symbol that you want to appear as a subscript. Type it right after the underscore without any spaces in between. This keeps everything looking clean and precisely aligned as a subscript should be. After you finish typing out your subscript text, all that's left to do is press the Enter key. This confirms and finalizes your input, embedding the subscript neatly within your document. And that's it. You're done. With a little practice, you'll be able to quickly and easily add subscripts in Notion whenever the need arises. Remember, being able to neatly integrate such features can truly enhance both the readability and professionalism of your Notion pages. So, whether you're dressing up a formula or just adding intricate details to your project notes, using subscripts can be a breeze with Notion's functionality. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be on your way to creating detailed and professional-looking documents in no time. Happy organizing!